Hello and Merry Christmas to you. I hope you're going to really enjoy this beautiful miniature Christmas book nook. It's so cute, there's so many details, and it just really puts you into the heart of the season. We're going to start by making this very cute. Look at how small those eyes are. This is truly a miniature. This cute little snowman. He's a cute little guy, right? Now we'll just do, yes, very quick sign there. And now we'll be making the podium that goes in the middle. And I just want to explain about when you cut out from these boards, you just need to find the points that are actually attached to the board. You can hold this up to the light and you'll see it a little bit better. And always cut out from the back to the front. You may even need to file them a little bit. When you're sticking paper onto the wood, it actually is easier rather than trying to cut out the shape on the paper. Just glue it to the wood and then you can cut it around and you see it comes out very nice and sharp. Whenever you're making things like a little parcel here, always make sure to score all the places that are going to be folded. It will make it so much easier for when you actually have to fold. When I'm making furniture, I really like to get all the pieces out, and as you can see here, I've set them into exactly where they're going to be so that it will be easy to put them together. Look how beautiful these wreaths have come out. So cute. I always want to test anywhere I've put a light, so immediately I'm going to do that. And that's working, so I'm happy with that. With the detector, just make sure that the leads are going out in the colours as shown here, and we'll talk about connecting all those wires later on. If you use the front dust cover, you'll need to insert these 2 pieces of wood. With the wiring, just simply add all of the white wires to the red wire and all of the grey wires to the black wire. I really like to use these black shrink tubes, they're so great. In my opinion, this miniature is worth 10 out of 10 for value for money. I haven't given that to any of my other kits, but I'll tell you why, because I paid about $30 for this kit. It comes with a music box, a motion detector, a dust cover, and also a duplicate sheet in case you make mistakes from the original. Most other book nooks also are closed, that is, you can only see in from the front, but with this one you can actually see in from the front, you can see in from the rooftop, and you can also see in from the left side. So I think it's really worth the money. Sadly, that book nook on Temu is actually over $60 now, but I only paid around $30, so that's my grading. However, I see that on AliExpress it's only about $25, so I'm going to put that in the link below in case you're interested in buying that. Simplicity of build, I think everything was pretty much okay. The wiring was a little bit challenging, but everything else was just fine. And the clarity of instructions is also just a 7 because I do think they could have explained the wiring a lot better than they actually did. And finally, quality of parts, I give a 9. I think the quality was very good. So that's my opinion. I hope you've enjoyed the video and that you'll look at some of my other videos and that you'll also subscribe to my channel. That would be a wonderful thing. Thank you so much. And again, Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.